Good morning, everyone. My name is Arbaz Bandi, and my student ID is AZZ30309. Today, I'm going to discuss about the three topics of my presentation. That is a very important topic in the world of finance. The name of the topic is Financial Marketing and Capital Budgeting, an insight about financial markets and the kind of information that is made available and what can be researched shall all be dealt with examples in the slides to follow. The last topic in the presentation also deals with capital budgeting and sensitive analysis. In this slide, we can see a glimpse of the topics that would be discussed in the presentation. And that last third slide, we have done some fact finding about Australian financial market, and to know it better we have chosen one company each belonging to different sectors like commercial banks, investment funds and insurance companies. And about all the companies, with the help of ASX, we have obtained information about the bullets obtained in this. We have discussed about the bullets located in this slide. Thank you and have a nice day.
Mohammed Hasham Khalid, and bringing the presentation forward, we'll be discussing the financial management issues, which are as capital budgeting, capital structure, and working capital management. In order to understand these concepts better and apply them to the real world, we should go through the recent media listings. This slide also talks about the listings on ASX. We shall look at the advantages, the challenges, requirements, and the steps of listings. The requirement includes like the number of shareholders and profit and asset related parameters. Listings of shares on ASX grant access to greater pool of capital surroundings the ASX, which ensures minimizing the capital cost due to access to a large base. It also improves the public trust in the company and enhances the profile and image of the company. However, one should also look at its challenges to see and weigh if the profit is bigger than the problems it has to face. The problems could be the sensitivity of the share price to the market conditions. It is also very demanding in terms of increased maintenance of documents. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Praveen and I'm going to talk about the requirements and the steps involved in listing in ASX, and also about the Financial Advisory Service registration. The requirements to be fulfilled in order to be listed on ASX are discussed in this slide. These are threefold beings. Number of shareholders should be a minimum of 300. Non-affiliated investors and the free float of the company should be 20%. Also, a third test is performed to determine the size of the company in parameters like the profit and asset it holds, which decides whether it satisfies the requirement. The next slide. The process of listing the shares of the company on ASX can be divided into 7 steps. To start with appointing advisors who prepares the prospectus and end with closing of the offer. Next slide gives about the Financial Advisory Service registration. This discusses about the register, who is on the register and who is not eligible to be on the register. It also discusses about the information that can be found on the register and the meaning of relevant financial products. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manish. I'm going to discuss the risk analysis of a financial market and capital budgeting analysis. We have calculated the NPV, the net present value, where we found out the variables that are affecting the NPV and the sensitivity characteristics of an NPV. Under the capital budgeting analysis, we have found that the change in the variables that are affecting the NPV, which may also impact in the end results. So we have characterized the present scenario under decrease in the sales to the decrease in the price and the increase in the variable cost to the increase in the fixed cost. Implemented onto the results, we found that the higher the NPV is sensitive to the decrease in the price. Thereby, the decrease in the sales and the increase in the variable cost results in such a way that it may impact in the reduction of the NPV. Thereby, I conclude that we have to find out the factors about the industry and the working nature of the company, which can help us get the knowledge about the sensitivity of the company under certain circumstances. Therefore, relating the theoretical theory into the modulations in the media would help us in understanding the unit. Thereby, in order to access the investment, we have to acknowledge the value in the present and the future tense. The future period. Thereby, the below references state as the provided data which we have accumulated the data for the process. Thank you.